Terra Classic continues to attract investors despite past controversies. And what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Lunc ETF token. Thanks to the contract and the 5% commission, every transaction you make will fund and bring the Lunc token closer and closer to the ETF. Lunc needs catalysts, so Lunc ETF decided to create one of the best. I think Loon will break many ceilings in the crypto industry, so the link to the website and to buy Loon coin in the description. Let's continue with that. The Terra Classic continues to attract investors. Despite past sensations, Terra Classic, which has fallen to the lower ranks in volume rankings, continues to be one of the favorites of investors aiming to get rich quickly with the deletion of zeros. As of writing, Terra Classic has seen a 5% drop in the last 24 hours, trading at the level of $0.4095. Like many altcoins aiming to grow by maintaining their price level, Terra Classic faces a huge obstacle, which is the circulation pool. Following the Terra blockchain events that erupted in May 2022, the number of tokens in circulation continues to be one of the barriers to the price increase. Looking at the number of Terra Classic's tokens, there is a massive supply of approximately 5.8 trillion tokens. Although the community and exchanges are trying to reduce the supply, the speed of the current burns does not seem to make it easy to achieve the desired result. A potential price increase for Lunc may be triggered not by burns, but by an increase in volume. According to data provided by CoinGecko, as of the time of writing, the global market value of cryptocurrencies is calculated to be approximately $1.73 trillion, with Bitcoin accounting for about 48.66% of it. On the other hand, when all stablecoins are considered, they account for 7.87% of the volume. Based on calculations, Lunc's current market value of $583.6 million constitutes only 0.033% of the total cryptocurrency market value. In a scenario where Terra Classic captures 5% of the total market value, which seems unlikely but is within the realm of possibility, the volume value could rise to $86.5 billion. The calculated market value of $86.5 billion could be interpreted as a 14,722% increase in Terra Classic's future market value. If Lunc's circulating supply remains constant, its price could rise by approximately 15,052%, reaching $0.015. Considering the current situation, this scenario may not seem logical to investors. However, given the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency markets, it wouldn't be wrong to consider it within the realm of possibility. Now let's talk about Terra Classic price if Lunc catches 5% of the entire crypto market cap. Despite falling down the pecking order in the cryptocurrency ranking list, Terra Classic remains on the watch list of several crypto investors, especially those hoping to amass tremendous profits with not so large investment capital. Like every other crypto asset struggling to attain sustainable price expansion, the Terra Classic circulating pool has been hindering its price ascent since the Terra blockchain implosion of May 2022, which resulted in the minting of trillions of tokens. Terra Classic boasts a massive supply of roughly 5.8 trillion tokens. While there have been efforts to bring down the supply, it might take a longer time to achieve anything tangible due to the current burn rate. Judging via another perspective, attaining remarkable price increments might not necessarily involve cutting supplies. Scenarios like capturing a reasonable part of the global market cap can occur, leading to price appreciation. Per CoinGecko, the global market cap is standing at about $1.73 trillion, with Bitcoin making up a big chunk, contributing about 48.66%. On the other hand, stablecoins combine to make up about 7.87% of the total market cap. Based on calculations, Lunc's $583.6 million market cap will contribute only 0.033% of the entire crypto market cap. In a scenario where Terra Classic succeeds in capturing 5% of the entire market cap, it implies that its market cap will surge to about $86.5 billion. A $86.5 billion market cap signifies a 14,722% increment in the Terra Classic market cap. If Lunc's circulating supply remains unchanged, its price will surge by approximately 15,052% to attain a $0.015 price status. Should there be a more sustainable Lunc burn rate, it invariably signifies that the Lunc's market value would soar higher than the price highlighted above. In conclusion, While most scenarios described in this insight about Terra Classic capturing 5% of the entire crypto market cap might sound fascinating, readers should understand that the article aims at educating rather than predicting what could happen in the future. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic bull fixes gaze on ambitious 3 cents price, calls for patience. Since the infamous collapse of the Terra ecosystem, core communities around the Terra 2.0 network and its fork, Terra Classic, have rallied to propel the projects. Most recently, Terra Classic proponent Derek made an appeal to current Lunc investors. Appealing to good motives, he urged the community to maintain balance amid a period of pain and patience. Derek further urged the Terra Classic camp not to be overly excited or worried about the recent price surge and decline affecting Lunc. Instead, he enjoined the community to focus on a long-term target of seeing Lunc reach a 3 cents price at some point in the future. He described the price target and factors that would bring it about as the original intention and what is important for the Terra Classic community. In a more recent post, Derek added the Lunc's decline is setting it up for a more significant upward trend when the storm is over. The latest appeal for patience from the Terra Classic community comes at a time when the altcoin has been recovering from a decline. Alongside the rest of the crypto market, Lunc has bounced back above $0.4095 at the time of writing. According to CoinMarketCap, the cryptocurrency has gained 10% in the past 7 days and could see further gains if it builds a strong momentum above the crucial $0.301 mark. Such an outcome would evidently pave the way for the ambitious price targets being set by the community. Notably, Lunc's current supply means that a 3 cents price will put the cryptocurrency's market cap at over $175 billion, or more than 4 times the value of Terra at its peak in 2021. In the meantime, the asset has a market cap of $581 million, making such a 300 times surge less realistic unless the project can accelerate Lunc burns and push for more real-world adoption. And lastly, about that the Lunc ignites bull rally with governance proposal. Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem validator Lunc Live has proposed the repeal of controversial pay-per-job proposal 11889. This move, encapsulated in Proposal 12013, aims to eliminate the confusion and uncertainty that the initial proposal generated among validators, developers, and the broader community. The proposal seeks to pave the way for a more conducive environment for development and decision-making processes by removing the existing barriers that have hampered progress. The voting process for the repeal has already showcased the community's divided stance, with a preliminary tally revealing 25% in favor, 1% against, 46% opting for a veto, and 28% abstaining. The significant portion of veto votes underscores a collective desire to prevent the recurrence of similar proposals, highlighting the community's call for clarity and effectiveness in governance mechanisms. Parallel to the governance turmoil, the Terra LUNA Classic community celebrates a remarkable milestone in its Lunc burn campaign, with the total amount of Lunc burned surpassing 95 billion. This achievement is part of a concerted effort to reduce the token's circulating supply, bolstering its value and utility. The upcoming monthly burn mechanism by Binance, scheduled for February 1st, is highly anticipated, with the community eyeing 100 billion Lunc to be burned. A bullish trend in the Terra Classic market has prevailed over the previous 24 hours, with support established at the intraday low of $0.4098. As a result, the positive trend pushed Lunc to an intraday high of $0.3010 before a modest drop. This rising advance implies strong purchasing demand and suggests that Lunc could continue its positive trend. Lunc's market capitalization and 24-hour trading volume increased by 1.54% and 15.6% to $582.24 million and $33.16 million, respectively. This increase in market capitalization and trading volume reflects the growing interest and activity in Lunc. Additionally, the Keltner channel bands linear motion, with the upper, middle, and lower bands touching around 0.30's $103, 0.40's $99, and 0.40's $95, indicate that Lunc's price is now consolidating within a narrow range. This consolidation phase could lead to an upside breakout, since the price is trading near the upper band of the Keltner channel. So how do you think is Terra Classic breakout looming? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.